This is the Edsrdus silicone grease. Let's take it out of the bag. And in the bag you get the grease itself. Comes in a tube, obviously. This is made in Germany. It's repackaged in China. This grease is good for electrical connectors, O-rings, hoses, washers, rubbers, and plastics. You don't want to use any sort of petroleum products on rubber because it can rot it. However, a silicone grease like this will not cause that to happen, so it is safe for rubbers as well as plastics. It says it's environmentally friendly, it's translucent white, it's dielectric, and you just unscrew that. There's a little safety thing, so we'll take that off. So I have a couple of use cases that I'm going to show you where you could use this. So if you take a look just to the left of that green bottle there's a telephone jack. Now the area that I'm in here is a screened room, so it's open to the atmosphere. Rain gets in here, snow gets in here in the winter, all that kind of stuff. And that jack, while most of the time is okay, occasionally can get some water in it from rain, right in that modular connector there. And when that happens, all the phones in the house stop working. I get either an angry buzz on the line or it's just dead air, and that's all I could get. With the dielectric grease on there, it will prevent water from getting in there because the grease is waterproof. So if you get some on your fingers and that, it's not going to wash off if you hit it with water. You have to wipe it off, and then you can do soap and water and the whole thing and get yourself clean again. But it really does repel water, so it's excellent for that. So I'm going to apply some to the modular connector that goes in there and plug that back in. Now, while the quarters in there are too tight for me to show you applying it, it's just smearing it on and that. I have this phone outside here for the pool. It says pool phone. And now with the Edsrdus silicone grease on there, I can pick it up and we get a nice clear dial tone. So no more crummy connections. Another good thing is hoses. Now this nozzle, you can see it's rusted out and it's in pretty bad shape, but hey, it still works, and that's what I do around here. I keep everything going as long as possible. But what we can do here is we can put the silicone grease on the threads. We'll just uncap it here, put a little bit on, like that, and now I can just smear that around, like that. Any excess I'll stick in the nozzle itself, on the threads there, and on the washer, to make sure that gets nice and lubed up, just like that. I got a rag here for myself, because like I said, water is not going to take it off. It's waterproof. There we are. And now, this will screw on so much more smoothly and nicely, and make a nice tight seal. And of course, it still works. And if you notice, absolutely no leaks whatsoever. So once again, this was the Edsrdus silicone grease. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.